Before I start, I just want to say that I am not responsible for any illegal use of information conveyed in this video. I searched on the internet and I found out that this lock has only one combination. So to open it, I will first need to move all the numbers to the 0 or any other number, and then I will put pressure on each side. Then you just need to turn the wheels until you feel like there is no more resistance. The wheel will feel like it fell in some sort of a hole. So yeah, that's how you would know. So when you've done that, it should be unlocked. That's it for this video. Comment down below if you successfully unlocked your lock, and that's it.